Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Keurig Classic turns off while brewing. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if your Keurig Classic coffee maker is shutting off right after you press the brew button, here's a more detailed explanation how, or in this case, why it's actually happening. So the common reason for this for this to happen is because of high internal pressure inside the machine. So this can happen when the pod or coffee pods here fails to puncture properly. Even if it looks like the pod has punctured, there could still be too much pressure for the machine to handle, which causes it to shut off as safety measure. Now, one easy workaround that actually helps reduce the pressure is to pre-puncture the pods. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and just take a needle and pre-puncture the pods that you have here. Just a few needles here and there, a few holes. You'll be good. Now, in this case, you should be able to pre-puncture them before placing it into the Keurig. Now, you can do this by again simply pressing the pod into a sharp needle atop of the pod holder manually, just enough to break the seal. So this way, the machine goes to brew. The pressure won't build up too high, and the brewing process should work without interruption. Now, in this case, this is not a permanent fix that you could do, but a quick and effective way to get your coffee brewing. If pre-puncturing the pod helps, you can get to using this method, especially with pods that seem tougher to puncture. Now, if you've tried this and it works, great. But if not, you might, or in this case, it might be another reason, or another reason why it's not, or in this case, the Keurig Classic turns off. So there's another reason for that. So, like for example, some clogs in the needle or another internal problem. But pre-puncturing is a good first step to try. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.